Before doing this, get a drain survey. Could save you thousands. I find like roots blocking soakaways. A fencer smashed this one up, he put a fence post through it. And these displaced joints, they saturate the walls. And if you see a house with a chemical damp proof course above a physical one, this has got a black bitumen one just here, you know they've been ripped off. They've been ripped off. And at the same house, they even had another wall built with a physical damp proof course all the way up to try and stop the damp. Imagine if they'd have just checked the drains. They would have saved thousands of pounds. And look at this one. Wait till you get to the end of this. These absolute cowboys installing these French drains. Look at it. It's up and down like a BMX track. Look what's at the end. That's a poop soup. That is literally running with poop and blocked tissues and wet wipes and everything. They connected it to the mains. Why? As soon as it backs up, this is what's going to happen. Thanks for watching, and my number one tip to you is, if you have got false teeth, use plenty of glue.